genuine e-bikes, also known as your go-to for your mobility scooters. And let's not forget about the Ecolo Cruise, the fully enclosed mobility scooter. We're also a full service store, so we've got parts, shipping, pickup, and a full-time technician. So if there's anything you need after service repairs, we got you covered. We'll take good care of you. So starting our lineup, this is your full all-terrain four-wheel scooter. This is the Tal Ultra. We've got the really cute classic. This can also come with a roof if you like. This is the new Galaxy. Again, here's the two mobility scooters we have with roofs, so that's really nice. We're happy to have that. This is the Flex. I love this. This has a fully adjustable handlebars and you don't have to have the headrest if you want. This is the Rio. This is the lithium. Again, independent suspension, all-terrain. We've got our Freedom here. And this is the newest edition. This is the Liberty. This is a fully folding mobility scooter. It's lithium, 24 volt. It is, I believe, $26.95 or $27.95. Love this for smaller areas, easy maneuverability with oscillating front wheels. It's freaking awesome.